10.10.20. Okay, as you can see, it's pinging. Let's go to Alpine. So Alpine, sorry, Slux. So Slux will ping 172.16.10.10, which is Alpine. Okay, we just limit the ping to 5 maybe. Okay, as you can see, it can ping Alpine also. Alpine and Slux to Alpine and Alpine to Slux. Okay, here we can easily check the ARP in Slux. Okay, ARP lookup failure. Okay, Alpine cannot do the ARP. Okay, here, sorry, Slux. Anyway, let's cancel out this ping. Let's do the ARP. If Alpine can do ARP. Okay, Slux cannot do the ARP. Never mind. Okay, let's try again. Okay. From Alpine, it can see the IP address of Slux, which is this one, and then its MAC address because they are on the same local VLAN. The switch, which is the VLAN 10, which is like a local pseudo link, internal pseudo link of the switch. Okay, take note 0C D0. Okay, this is Slux MAC. Okay, let's check Slux. Never mind that one. So if we check IP address, okay, if you see, same, right? So link ether, this is the MAC address of Slux. 0CD0 is the same here. So we're able to see it. Okay, but this one, or maybe. Let's try ARP. Okay, incomplete. Cannot do the ARP. Maybe different command. Never mind. Okay. Okay. So let's verify on the switch. So let's do IP address. Okay. On this. Okay. Slux have this IP address 0CD0, right? 0CD0. Alpine have this MAC address 0CC2 and 0CD0. Okay, let's go to the switch. Okay, the switch, because they already sent traffic across each other, so across the switch from one port to another, the switch will be able to see their MAC addresses. Okay, so this command, show MAC address table, dynamic or this show MAC address table or with dynamic argument also can. Okay, so show MAC address table. What is saying here is, okay, under VLAN 10, the switch is seeing two MAC addresses, one 4 gigabit 00 and one 4 gigabit 01. So this is Alpine. Let's double check if it is really. So Alpine has 0CC2. Okay. Alpine has 0CC2 8228, which is correct. 0CC2 8228. Okay, correct. So it's correct. So meaning to say that Alpine is connected here as seen by the switch, which is correct. Sorry. Here, gigabit 00. Okay. Let's check Slux. Slux has 0CD0. So small here. 0CD0. 0CD0. Wait, 0CD0, 0CD0, 78F1, which is correct, right? So slux is connected here. 01 here, slux. Okay, correct. Our switch configuration is successful. Switch is able to, this is the ultimate verification. So switch is able to show MAC address tables the command, able to see from on VLAN 10 two machines and each interface with this MAC address. Okay. Okay, I think we will wrap this up. Our basic VLAN configuration of the switch is done. So again, let's review or recall. So show VLAN brief. Okay, it will show VLAN 10, the VLAN 10, its description, and on which ports that are under him or under it. So these two ports are under it. This command also show interface status will show the VLAN and connectivity status. So both are connected and under VLAN 10. And then lastly, we'll show MAC address table. Can use dynamic also. And then this command will verify that under VLAN 10 it is able to see two MAC addresses on these port or interfaces. Okay, so I think slux for GUI, just to show to you the GUI and the CLI, but this one is slow, not really that fast. It will add up our video recording time. So I think if you don't mind, in future I will just use CLI like this. For Alpine is fast, so maybe I'll just use CLI for configuration. I think just a simple command. Where is it? Just the simple Linux command to add and verify. Anyway, we're just trying to test ping. We just use ping for testing for this demo. So I hope you like this one. If you watch out for more videos, this is my first video. This is just the start, the beginning of maybe we're hoping we can post several videos, maybe 100 videos for this Cisco tutorial, this actual live tutorial to show you basic. Let's start in basic and then gradually intermediate and then advanced. Hopefully, and I hope this video help you gain knowledge on very basic Cisco configuration. Okay, I think that's it. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends learning networking. Don't forget to subscribe for more Cisco Labs and tutorials every week. See you in the next video.